this is Dione from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division. Today I'll be showing you an exclusive 1163 two-bedroom penthouse right here at Vista. Come, let's go. You will first be greeted by this spacious living room with a beautiful simple minimalist theme and long gauge layout. Here we have the kitchenette, which is efficiently tucked into the corner here. It comes with plenty of cabinet storage space along with a full set of well-maintained kitchenware. There is also a kitchen island giving you additional space for food preparations, but also can double as an informal dining area for 6 guests. Now, the balcony provides a beautiful unblocked view of the surrounding developments, with sliding glass door letting in plenty of light and breeze into a common area of this high-floor unit. The junior room is good size and brightly lit, with add-on like a built-in wardrobe. Its simple layout, with no odd shapes to hinder furniture placement, lends itself easily to your design ambitions. In fact, the owner are currently using this as their only bedroom. Follow me to find out why. Here, the master suite is uniquely designed, easily fitted a queen-size bed. The glass door once again giving you an incredible cityscape to wake up to every day. In fact, the scenery here is so good up here that instead of simply use it as a bedroom, the owner have taken to converting it into an entertainment room for visiting family members and guests. Now, saving the best for last, the open roof terrace is a highlight of this unit. With a generous amount of space, you can create a lounge or even an alfresco dining area for you to relax and unwind in the evening. Vista is filled with amenities, including a gorgeous swimming pool, gym, sun cabanas, and so much more. Tanah Merah MRT stations on the east-west line is just 3 minutes walk from here. For food and shopping, head down to Bedok Shopping Complex, Bedok Food Centre and Bedok Mall, all within a 2-kilometer radius. There are also a range of schools nearby like Bedok Green Primary School, Changkat Primary School and Temasek Junior College. If you are interested in this unit here at Vista, do contact me to find out more. Once again, this is Dione from OrangeTee and Thai AAG division.